Hey guys, what's up? This is Sahilvatsy and today we are going to review Bombay Shaving Company Face Moisturizer. Okay, so let us first check out what is in the packaging. These are for both normal and dry skins, and the best part is that it has 5 essential oils which are really good for our skin and that helps the skin to retain the moisture throughout the day. And the quantity is 100 gram, and if you are wondering about the price, so this is 180 rupees and it is available on Amazon or Bombay Shaving Store. You can buy from anyone. Okay, so let me just remove this barcode. Oh, no use. So at the back also you find some minute details. So let's just come on to the review. So I have been using this product since I guess 5 to 6 months, and this is really a great product for men. Okay, I use it daily after taking a bath. I every day use it. The smell of this product, the fragrance of this product is really very nice, and this is really very gentle to the skin. This is the first moisturizer that I really liked for my skin. Okay, and the best part about this moisturizer is that if even you have a dry skin, or if you are having a regular skin, or if you have a oily skin, so it doesn't matter, you can use this moisturizer with all type of skins. So if I talk about myself, I have a regular skin. It's not too dry or too oily, so this is a regular skin, so it works perfect with my skin. And if I tell you about what was I using earlier before this, so I was using this Biotic Morning Nectar as a moisturizer before I got to know about this Bombay Shaving Company. Okay, so this one is also good, but it was just not suiting my skin. So this is not for all skin type because it was not suiting mine. Okay, so it depends on which type of skin you have, or you may have some I may have some allergy with one of the ingredients which I don't know. Okay, so this may also happen. Okay, this can happen with anyone because this is the individual preferences and individual allergy. Okay, which is subjective in nature. So if I talk about the ingredient here, I cannot see it due to this. Okay, but I can just tell you that it has a unique blend of 5 essential oils for soft, supple skin. And second is it has jojoba oil, which deeply moisturizes your skin from within. Third, argan and babasu oil, which repairs the cracked skin and accelerate healthy skin growth. Fourth, avocado oil, which aids fast absorption and helps skin retain moisture. And the last is shea butter, which is, as we all know, which softens and rejuvenates the skin. Okay, so if I want to rate this product, I will give this product as rating of 4.5 out of 5. Why I deducted the 0.5 marks? Because they may say that they have natural ingredients, but you will see at the back they have some chemical preservative also, which is natural these days. Okay, so I deducted 0.5 for that because I don't like the preservative and other artificial chemical ingredients which are used to make the skin feel good and supple. Okay, so and also if I give one more drawback of this, so this is not for the oily skin because my brother used this face moisturizer and he is having a oily skin, so he didn't find it much good for him. So I would recommend to go for this. If you have the regular or dry skin, it will be perfect for you. Okay, and this is a great product. I really like the product. So that was all for this product, and let's just see how does it come. Okay, so this is like this. Okay, normal white color. Okay, and wow, I just really like the fragrance of this. I really love it. Okay, and the property of the fast absorbent is really great of this product. So guys, that was all for this product review. I'll come up with more product reviews which I use, and I have collaborated earlier with on Instagram before. Okay, so I'll be making the videos for that also. So stay tuned guys, we'll meet you in the next video with new product. Goodbye.